Hey guys, today's my topic is types of cloud computing. Let's see which are the types of cloud computing. First is the centralized cloud computing. Centralized cloud computing. In this, all computer resources are centralized in one system. This uses 3, 4, 5 computers required. For example, Wikipedia. Then we will see parallel computing. Parallel computing. In this, many operations performed simultaneously. Single computer required multiprocessor perform multi operations. Multiple CPU in single computer. Then we will see distributed computing. Distributed computing. System components located at different locations use multiple computers. Multiple computer perform multi operations. Distributed system is collection of independent computer. Then we will see first diagram of the centralized computing. Centralized computing, it means one main server connected with multiple computers 1, 2, 3 as you want. Then we will see parallel computer diagram. In this, one server process simultaneously multiple operations. And then last one is a distributed computing. In this, each computer, each memory independently located. Multiple computers perform multiple operations. Multiple computers used in the distributed computing. Subscribe my channel for more updated videos. Thank you.